That girl. The whole that girl trend is feeling like a one size fits all. I mean, agreed, you're supposed to be the best version of yourself, but really, is this like the only way? In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to fit the stuff that girl does seamlessly into your routine and still be you. Do you while being the best version of yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Adiah, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to be that girl and still be yourself. Because yes guys, it's possible. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Now, morning habits and rituals can be different for everybody. Now, you don't have to wake up by 5 a.m. to be that girl, honey. You do not have to do that. The most important thing is that you wake up early enough to have enough time, to have alone time in the morning and still get the things you have to get done for the day. Everyone is different. If you're not a morning person, there's no point waking up 5 a.m. and just staring at the ceiling. You get what I'm saying? So the most important thing is that you wake up early enough to have alone time. Now, alone time in the morning is very important because it doesn't make you feel like you're being rushed into the day. People have different alone time rituals. Now, you can decide to meditate, you can decide to watch the sunrise, you can decide to go for a morning walk, you can decide to just stay by yourself for a couple of minutes and just sit alone before you start your day. It doesn't matter what you do. It just matters that you do something to be by yourself before you go about your day. So it's important to find your morning ritual, a sleeping pattern and a sleeping schedule that works for you. It's all about being healthy at the end of the day. That girl is a healthy girl, so it's all about being healthy. So whatever works for you, whatever feels healthy to your body is exactly what you should be doing. Now, I've seen a lot of matcha, green tea, and a lot of coffee, and that's just that girl's diet, okay, honey? You just have to nourish yourself. Whatever you ingest has to nourish yourself. People eat for different reasons. Some people eat to lose weight, some people eat to gain weight, some people eat to just be healthy, some people just eat whatever they want, okay? Now, all you have to do is make sure that whatever you're ingesting into your body feels right, feels healthy, it's healthy to you. Now, healthy is very relative to a lot of people because some people like gluten, some people don't like gluten, some people are lactose intolerant, some people aren't, but it's the same milk, you know? So it's like, it's either you're dairy free or you're taking milk with dairy. You know what I'm saying? So healthy is very relative to a lot of people. So the most important thing is that you're ingesting things that are healthy for your body. You have to listen to your body, listen to what your body likes, listen to what your body takes, listen to what your body does not like. You don't have to drink coffee if you're not a coffee person, if your body doesn't like coffee, because that girl drinks coffee. It might sound very minute to a lot of people, but some people actually take what comes out of the internet like gospel, and if that girl is drinking coffee, they're drinking coffee, period. Listen to how your body reacts to what you eat and just make adjustments to make sure that you're nourishing yourself. You don't need green matcha, you don't need green tea. Whatever feels good for you is what's good for your body, period. That girl is always in the gym, or she's always taking a walk in the morning, or she's always working out, basically. But that's just one form of movement. Now, some people might like to run in the morning, some people might like to run at night, some people might not even like to run, some people might just like to walk. Now, the most important thing is that to get in exercise, some sort of movement, any sort of movement into your day in the 24 hours of every day. So depending on where you walk, your work schedule, you will just find something that works and is very convenient for you. If you can afford to pay for the gym, or you can't even afford to go to the gym once a day, or you can't afford to wake up early to go for a run, does that make you less of that girl? No. All you have to do is put some sort of movement into your day. You can decide to do that while you're doing chores. You can decide to do that in the morning, do that at night. You can literally do whatever you want. Just put movement into your 24 hours. It can be while you're in bed, you do bed stretches. There are lots of that on YouTube. If you just search stretches on the bed, you would literally see a lot of videos that do that. You can do yoga, you can do whatever form of movement that you choose that resonates with you. But the most important thing is that you have movement into your day every day. Maybe not every day, but a couple of days in a week. This is very important because for that girl, her love language is self-care, pampering myself, face masks and baths. To be honest, some people's form of self-love is taking a boxing class once a week. That doesn't make it less of that girl, honey. That just means that you know what works for you. You just have to know what you like and make that time fun for yourself. Make that time about spending time with yourself. Make it very entertaining for you. Make it very important to you. Whatever form of self-love you decide or you like to do, make it worth your while. Pick a time in your day where you can do this conveniently with no stress. For me, honestly, I just like to stay by myself and watch movies. And that's a form of self-love for me because I literally shut the whole world out because I don't want to talk to nobody, so nobody reach me. And I would just go through the movies I have to watch. And for me, when I'm done, after I'm done watching the movie, I read a book. It's just my time and I don't want anybody in it. So it just depends. Know what you want to do. Know the time it fits into your day that's the most convenient and the most easiest for you. Know how to integrate what you're doing into your day. If you're trying it for the first time, then if you're trying something for the first time, form of love language for the first time, you might feel a little rusty getting into it, but the most important thing is that you find a way to integrate it into your day and you will not regret it, sister, okay? So yeah, these are my tips I have for you guys in this video. Being that girl is all about being the best version of yourself. Now, we as human beings are constantly evolving, growing, changing, working on stuff. I'm working on myself as a new one, so I'm just trying to get myself to be that girl, and it's not by any means a one-size-fits-all type situation. Everything is different for different people, and it just matters how you want to do the things you want to do and how it fits for you. Now, if waking up and going for a run is not your thing, then go for a run at night or go for a run in the evening, whatever works for you. At the end of the day, it's just for you to feel good with your body. It's for your body to feel healthy, to feel nice, like it's living its best purpose. So that's all you need to do. You need to put yourself first. You need to do the things that make you happy. You need to put routines in place that make you feel fulfilled. So that's just it. That's who that girl is. So that girl can be anybody, honey. That girl can be you. You can be that girl while doing the things that you love to do. And that's all there, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!